Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. As we can see here with Polygon right now, we are taking a quick look at the chart, and you can see here we have a very nice run recently, haven't we, with some very bullish price action ever since the new year, just like pretty much every single crypto has, to be honest. I think Bitcoin dragging the whole market to the upside has been pretty damn apparent, to be honest, isn't it? I mean, realistically we have had Polygon essentially chopping sideways here for a good while, haven't we? Really, it got absolutely hammered, didn't it? It came down to around that 90% retracement from $3, $2.90 at the all-time high there. Or basically $3, wasn't it, at the all-time high. Retraced all the way down to around 30 cents. So you got that full 90% retracement there. And now you can see quite clearly we've obviously got that bounce off the low, which was really apparent. We had that resistance here, which got broken. And we got that run all the way up inside the Fibonacci levels. And as I've said numerous times now, really we have just been ranging between that 75 cents and $1 area for Polygon for a long time, weren't we? Basically in between these two Fibonacci levels. Resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. And then we finally got that breakout up to the 618, but with the FTX collapse we got rejected, obviously came back inside the range with the big decline that we did see. But Polygon really showed a lot of strength here on the chart, and because it made so much good structure, it had a really nice bounce off this low. We came back down, back up again, and then we came back inside the range, retested the high and the low. I had a long position that almost got filled here, but missed it by literally like a cent or half a cent. I think it was pretty crazy, something like that. And you can see here we obviously ran up to the top of the range, consolidated and with the breakout, and then since then we have just been running up, haven't we? Continuously heading to the upside. And really right now, if we take a quick look at what Polygon's doing in the immediate short term of the past week, this is the daily time frame. You can see we got obviously a little bit overextended here off of this very nice powerful run that we have seen. We came into a, there's a big area of structure here, isn't there? Where Polygon, really we've got a lot of clean sky after this area here that we have cleared at the 618. But you can see here obviously Polygon itself has been making a very nice considered move to the upside, move, consolidate, move, consolidate, move, consolidate, move, and now having a retracement for consolidation here, coming down and back testing this previous area. Like I said in the previous video, I added a small position here for Polygon, a long position at this previous key area of support and resistance at 140, and I will have another slightly larger position, long position here at the 618. If we do get a continued retracement like this, we could see ourselves bounce here on this previous swing high as support like this, or we could see ourselves come down to the 618, and really basically you could argue it could be breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, and then the next move to the upside could see us heading towards that 078 with a back test of some key structure here. If that was the case, Polygon would be looking pretty damn good, wouldn't it, to be honest? I mean, it's been doing well this entire bear market, if I'm being honest. Realistically, you could argue that Polygon itself is no longer in a bear market. I mean, we broke out a bear market structure here literally months ago. Breakout, back test, sideways. We started to move up, but then obviously smashed down by a black swan event. Didn't even really phase Polygon. Sideways again, and now looking like we are cleanly making higher highs and higher lows on the chart. You could say higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And if we come down and make a high low and another high high, I mean, you could argue that we have been in a bull market for some time for Polygon. Obviously, the high correlation to Bitcoin of the market is still a concern for me. And I do think that Bitcoin is not necessarily in a bull market yet, so I'm keeping my head screwed on. But realistically, things looking good for Polygon today. Just retracing back down to key support before potentially, in my opinion, a bounce to the upside. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to the private Discord. I'll be hanging out there most days. Lots of people are going to be hanging out there talking about investing in crypto, etc. So if you do want to support the channel, I do think that would be a cool way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.